Okay, this video is going to be demonstrating how to use the Surelite I and II lasers. So on the right we have our visible laser, which pumps at 355 nanometers, and on the left we have our IR, which pumps at 532 nanometers. So first thing we're going to do is make sure that the AC power switch is toggled on. If it's down in the off position, if it's been turned off for a really long time, you can go ahead and switch that on and it'll cycle through some screens for about 6 seconds, and then it'll read out off on this LED screen. Once we get that readout, we can turn the key to the on position, and a few things are going to display. That's the total number of flash lamp discharges in millions. The next thing we'll get is the flow signal, which is going to be telling us that the water cooler has started, and if that gets water to the laser heads, then we won't get an error message, and we'll go straight to the next display screen, which is F9, which is going to tell us the flash lamp discharge frequency in hertz. So once that is done, we can go ahead and press the select button, which is going to allow us to toggle through our setup screens. So the first thing we'll get is our Q switch delay in microseconds. We'll leave that at 150. The next thing we'll get is the PO1, which is the pulse division, and we'll leave that at PO1. The next thing we'll see is the pump voltage in kilovolts. Right now that's at 0.97, which is fairly low because I was just aligning the laser. The next thing we'll see is the SOF, which is the serial mode, and the SOF is for the serial port off. The next thing is the external mode, and EOF is going to be external mode off. We can toggle between EO on and EO off, and the same with the serial mode, but we'll leave that off for now. So then we can toggle back to our pump voltage, and from there we can go ahead and hit the start stop button. It's going to start lasing and you'll audibly hear it clicking. If you just started up the laser, you want to let it run for about 15 to 20 minutes to thermally equilibrate. For those first 15 to 20 minutes, the system won't let you press the shutter button. You can try, but nothing will happen. And then once it's warmed up enough, it'll let you press the shutter button. But I advise waiting about 20 minutes for everything to warm up. So this has been running for a while now, so we can go ahead and get it started up. So first thing we'll do is go over and open the external shutter and make sure that's in the open position, which is going to be pushed away from you. So now that's open, we can grab our laser safety goggles, and once we press the shutter button, it's going to start externally lasing. We can go ahead and press that, and we can go ahead and grab a burn card somewhere around here. And we can take this and verify that it's lasing. You can see that on the burn card. And yeah,